like to test out for this season. And this one is from Mars Hydro. This is a reputable company in LED lights. I'm sure anyone growing indoors have heard of them. And this is their TS600. It's a 600 watt LED light. I'm gonna unbox it and show you what it looks like, and hopefully get it set up and running just to give it a test. So here is the rope ratchet light hanger. Max weight 150 pounds. I'm sure this light is 150 pounds. This might be two sets of ways to hang it. I'm not completely sure. We'll get into that in a minute. These are the rope ratchets. Got two like this. And set those there. Here's a warranty card. Spectrum test report. A lot of details on this instructions. There's some grow tips. Package includes one TS600 LED. Let's get it out of here. See what we got. This is the light itself. Very lightweight. That's their logo on one side, Mars Hydro. And power cord is not detachable. So I'm going to try to set this up right here and be back with you in a minute. Okay, that was a really quick setup and probably not the proper hanging, and this light will not be placed here, however, so just for a quick demo of how bright it is, there you go, and it is really bright. $600 watts. These ratchet thingies are really easy to work with, adjust height. A really nice feature on them. I believe these are sold, probably don't come with the regular lights or the usual they sell. Looks very nice. Can't wait to try this one on some plants. I'll be doing regular updates on my grow with these lights. There's no other light in the room right now except this one. So Thanks for watching. Look out for my updates on this Mars Hydro 600 watts LED.